Traveling microscope is a device which is used to see the object magnified. Now, why it is called traveling microscope? See, if we open the screw, then the microscope moves forward and backward. Again, by using backside screw, if you open the screw, then traveling microscope moves up and down. So that's why it is called as traveling microscope. And if you want to move the microscope slightly, then first close the screw, and by using the side screw we can move the microscope slightly forward or backward. Again, at the back side, close the screw, and by using this one screw we can move the microscope up and down slightly. See, at the eyepiece there is 10x, means we can see the object 10 times magnified than the real object. Now we want to focus on the least count. The least count of traveling microscope. Least count means the smallest measurement that can be done by an instrument is called as least count. So how much the least count of traveling microscope? See the formula: smallest division on a main scale divided by total number of divisions on a vernier scale. This scale is called as main scale. This is a horizontal main scale and horizontal vernier scale. Again, at the vertical side, this is a vertical main scale and a vertical vernier scale. Now, to find the least count, first we want to know what is the value of smallest division on a main scale. To find the smallest division on a main scale, see, between 6 and 7, means between 1 centimeter, this is the centimeter scale. So between 1 centimeter, how many divisions are there? 6 to 7. In between 6 to 7 there are 20 number of divisions. So 1 upon 20 is equal to 0.05. This is the smallest division on a main scale, that is 0.05 divided by total number of divisions on a vernier scale. Ignore these digits, just count the total number of divisions. So these are 50. So total number of divisions on a vernier scale are 50. So 0.05 divided by 50 will get 0.001 centimeter. This having unit centimeter. So the least count of traveling microscope is 0.001 centimeter. This is the measurement that can be done by an traveling microscope. That is the smallest measurement that can be done by an instrument is called as least count. So least count of traveling microscope is 0.001 centimeter. Now if you want to measure a total reading, then there is a formula for total reading. Total reading is equal to main scale reading plus vernier scale reading into least count. Now to calculate the main scale reading, see, we want to first focus on this zero line, where this zero line from the vernier scale coincide at the main scale. That is called as main scale reading, which is, this one is 5, 5.5, 6, 7, 8. So 5.8 is a main scale reading, plus vernier scale reading means between 0 to 50 lines, which division coincide exactly to main scale division. So it gives 10 number lines which is exactly coincide to the main scale. So 10 is the vernier scale reading into least count, that is 0.001. It gives 5.810 centimeter. So the total reading becomes 5.810 centimeter. So by using travelling microscope, we can find the least count and total reading. Thank you.